Hey everybody, it's Thomas here. In this video, I'm just going to cover some issues that some of you might have, which literally is if you try to use Easy Popup Creator on YouTube, on Facebook, and Yahoo, other sites like that, some sites have something that's called a frame buster. Frame buster literally is some piece of script that they have on the site that they will detect any kind of light boxes such as Easy Popup Creator. It is impossible to get around a frame buster. However, what we did is we added a new feature that lets you go in and still use Easy Popup Creator on Facebook, on YouTube, and other sites that already have frame buster installed. So let me just show you how that's going to work. So here I am inside Easy Popup Creator, and I just did my editing here. So a free report with a countdown template, and then I have my call to action button here, right? So let's say that I wanted to send people to get a free report. Let's say at my Facebook page, it's blast post. I'll then put that in here, which means when users they click this button, they will go to this URL, right? So keep in mind that this URL here doesn't have necessarily to be the same as the landing page URL, okay? So I'm going to explain it a little bit in details in a minute, but just so you understand, it does not have to be the same, but you can choose to make it the same, okay? Then I'm just going to hit next, go to the next step here. I'm just going to let it load a little bit. So the next step is where we can add in our autoresponders, which you already know how to do. I'm just going to let it load a little bit here. There we go. Just going to go in here. Just give it a second. Okay. Happy with your preview. I'm going to hit next. Then at the last step here is where you can do the changes so you are able to use your pop-up on Facebook, YouTube, and so forth. Okay, so if you let's say that you want to send these people to Facebook, all right, so then I'll just take the same landing page URL here and I'll put that in. Okay, then if you have a look here at the bottom, we added a small little feature. So if you are sending traffic to YouTube, Facebook, Yahoo, MSN, Best Buy, or other sites that have a frame buster, please check the below box. Okay, that means I'm going to check this box here. So selecting this option will show your pop-up before the landing page display, no matter of the above selections. That means no matter what you put in here for the show offer pop-up on, no matter what, because we are sending traffic to a site that has a frame buster, we only have one way to get around this, guys. Only one way. And that literally is by showing the pop-up before they are going to the actual page. So what will happen is that when I'm going to generate this URL now, what will happen is that when I send traffic here, the first thing they will see will be my pop-up. Okay? Just going to let it load here. You see, now it's going to show my pop-up, okay? So now, no matter what, if the user decide just to close the pop-up, they will then just go to the actual landing page that you put in, which then will be Facebook. If I close this, they will go there. If they click Get My Free Report, obviously they will go to the URL that I added in the editor. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to close the pop-up just to show you that it will then just go to the Facebook page, right? Boom, there you go, okay? So that's the way to get around pages with the frame buster, okay? And I guarantee Easy Popup Creator is the only tool out there that has this feature implemented right now, okay? So just for the last example, let's say that they will be clicking the actual button, then it will go to the same place, right? I'm just gonna let it load here. So my internet's a little bit slow. I'm just gonna make it load just in a second. Just give it a little bit of time. I probably need to change my internet here. As you probably know, right? I'm located in Bangkok, so if any one of you ever should pop by in Thailand and so on, shoot me a message. I'll be happy to show you around. Apparently, there's a little bit of issue with the internet. Let me try to load it again just to see if that's gonna help. Okay, there we go. So now it will load the pop-up, as you can see. And please keep in mind, obviously, this also will work with the WordPress plugin. So no matter if you're using just a URL from us or if you're using your own WordPress plugin, it will be the same, right? So free report, get my free report. Gonna click there, and then you see they go to the actual landing page. So guys, this is the way to get around when a site has a frame buster. Please note, there's nothing we can do about it if a site have a frame buster, and it's easy for you to find out because if you go in, you put the URL, and it's just going to be blank after the pop-up. That means that specific website has a frame buster, and if they have that, you go back and then you edit your Easy Pop-Up Creator. In Easy Pop-Up Creator, you go and edit the pop-up, right? So for those of you who don't know it, we also added the edit function, which means that afterwards you can go in and without have to create a new actual pop-up, you just go to the dashboard and you just click edit pop-up, and then you can go in, you can edit the pop-up, right? So guys, that is the way to get around this, and as mentioned, we are the only one that have this option in terms of getting around with sites with the frame buster. Any questions and so forth, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thanks for your time, and you have a great day.